Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on rask.ai. Now this is a quick review, so if you want an in-depth one you have to go and check out the site. Let's get started. Now what is rask.ai? rask.ai has a lot of important stuff, one of which is that it's an AI powered localization tool. That is right. It is focused on translating and localizing audio and video content using artificial intelligence. This original video is a translation over here. That is because it has multi-language support. It supports about more than 30 plus languages in translation. Next, we have voice cloning. It allows you to clone your own voice and use it for dubbing in different languages. So you can see dubbing. Then it also has lip sync. It can automatically synchronize translated audio with the speaker's lip movement. Other things it has is transcription, subtitles and dubbing, multi-speaker detection, API for scalability, use cases. It is suitable for content creators, educators, businesses, and anyone looking to reach a global audience with their video and audio content. And lastly, pricing. It offers various pricing plans, including a free trial, including a free trial with limited minutes and paid subscription for more extensive use. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.